Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download structured data testing output for SEO troubleshooting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download structured data testing output for SEO troubleshooting, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the structured data testing tool provided by Google. Once on the page, enter the URL of the web page you want to test in the designated input field. If you have structured data in JSON LD format, you can also paste the code directly into the tool. Click the Run Test button to initiate the analysis of the structured data. Wait for the tool to process your input. The results will display a summary of the structured data found on your page. Review any errors or warnings highlighted in the output. If you want to download the results, look for the Download option or Export feature. In some tools, this may appear as an icon or a link labeled Download or Export. Click on this option to begin the download process. Choose your preferred format for downloading, often available as a JSON or a CSV file. Save the file to your computer in a location you can easily access later. Open the downloaded file to review the structured data output. Analyze the information to identify any issues that may affect your SEO performance. Make notes on the errors or warnings to address them in your structured data implementation. Return to your website and make necessary adjustments based on the findings. After making changes, revisit the structured data testing tool to ensure that issues have been resolved. Repeat the download process for any additional tests as required. Continuously monitor your structured data implementation to improve your website's SEO over time. By following these steps, you can effectively download and utilize structured data testing output for SEO troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.